mold or not? You got to cast something in this?
Yeah, that's the plan. I have no idea if it'll work with that pink foam, but it was just a good test one.
Backwards to that though?
Yeah, you're right. In retrospect.
I've never done it before, so I wasn't sure.
That's okay. That's that was kind of a bonehead.
Perfectly valuable piece of foam.
Oh no, I don't have any more of this stuff either. I think Home Depot ran out.
I've never done this before with the V-card. It's kind of cool watching.
I love the way it works. Yeah, because it does those nice little control, those curves to make
little V's, yeah.
A nice sharp point with that bit. Plus that foam cut's pretty nice.
Doesn't melt at all either. It's not